Da 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 da. Huh? You got a tilt bed on that? What's going on there? Blood, 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 blood. But da 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 da. But da 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 da. I love it. Oh yeah. C-20 back when America was still made out of steel before we got all that communism. Let's cross. Slow down. Oh yeah. Oh my, that sounds so good to my ear. Oh. Yeah. Oh yeah. I like those neon lights. Yeah, that's cool. Got picked up at the lake, bro. That's awesome. And ladies and gentlemen, look, we got more lights on this thing to track more bugs. This guy's gonna have to have some extra bug remover. Oh yeah, pretty lights, pretty lights. Oh yeah. Oh, nice car, dude. Up in the air, we don't care, because that's just America. That's how we roll. Every truck is lifted. If it ain't lifted, you're gay. Period. I said gay. Gay, 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 gay. Gay, 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 gay. Gay. Oh, that one's nice. That one's nice over there. Yeah. Who wants to touch my charger? Oh, come on, camera. Why are you doing that? Christ. Girls need to put some clothes on. You're gonna break the camera, young lady. I already saw that car earlier. Something tells me these people are just going back and going back. Oh yeah, saw that truck earlier. That was a guy with all the lights on his truck. Yeah, somebody should really tell him to track bugs. Same as that one. Really? I had no idea. Oh, there we go. We got a Challenger rolling in. Your car's slow. You hear me? It's probably super fast, like sitting on 800 horsepower. 800 horsepower wheels, supercharged, turbo max. Oh man. I love it. You know, you can have anything, but you can't have everything. Yeah, that's pretty. That's pretty. This guy, he's like, I bought these lights for $20 on Amazon. I'm just here hanging out. I'm not really sure about that one. Firebird? I don't know. It's like I got glorious popsicle lights under my wheel wells. Oh god. Alright, just stop coughing. Oh, so pretty. This guy, he's like, I've got nothing else better to do, so I'll just drive my car around in a loop. Maybe some chick will just want to randomly hop in it because I got a nice car. And this guy, he's like, my truck costed $80,000. I can't afford anything else, but I do have an $80,000 truck. Ooh, he's got a supercharger. Totally stupid. My glowing wheels. Who wants to touch me? Who wants to get in my Ford? That's right. I paid good, high quality money for these wheel well lights. Makes it sparkle. Ooh, yeah, convertible. All the pretty girls in that one. Pretty boys too, if that's what you're into. Other than Ollie, that's nice. It's a Jeep thing, you wouldn't understand. Oh, excuse me, that's a Bronco. Here we go, flashlight number 1. flashlight number 2, circling back around for the 5th time. Nothing else to do besides burn up your transmission. I'm just here to show off. Nothing else to do. I got an aftermarket subsystem. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh. I get 8 miles to the gallon. My super swampers, and I've never seen a speck of dirt in my life. I can see this guy now. He's like, "Hey, honey, now we're over at the float trip. Why don't we go out to the car show?" Oh, if I can aim right. There we go. Yeah, that's cool. Everyone, please say hello to the man with the smallest Johnson and a really big bank account, because you can't have both. Wow. Somebody spanked my tractor. I can't believe my Craftsman. Jesus. Yeah, all that noise is coming from that guy. $1 million. $1 million? Oh, he's got light ups too. Wow. Wonder what his blow up doll looks like. Yeah. Ooh. Wow. Classical Trans Am. Yeah, that is nice looking. It's even got the thing on the hood too. Wow. Ah! Micro Johnny. Micro Johnny. Micro Johnny. He's got a firm strick on that steering wheel. He's afraid that $1 million truck's gonna flat out. Oh, did you try to do a burnout? I think he tried to do a burnout. No, buddy, hold still. Some good footage here. I think he broke his $1 million truck. Hold on. Uh-oh. Hold on, wait, he stopped. He broke his truck.
He broke it?
Oh, he had to turn on his lights. Had to hit the light switch. Like, yeah, I got a light for that. Come on. Oh, there he goes. I'll show. He actually had to stop traffic. It's like a rave going down the road. Dancing, buddy? Nice little ride there he's got going on. I can't really tell what that is. Sounds good though. Oh, he's going back to the river now. He's seen all he can see. Whoa. Totally psychedelic. Yeah! What? Whoa. He's like, man, I'll just give everyone a brain aneurysm instead of like traditional like white or green. Ooh, turbo. I got one of those in my lawnmower. I do like that. I do like that. Oh yeah, let me find the tailpipe on that one. Super snake. Strong arm in that steering wheel. Big tough guy. I bet you it takes a big strong arm to hang that baby in place with those big old tires. Big strong guy. Oh, I didn't see that coming. Ford, whatever that is, with the green lights on the bottom. Right there, no exhaust on that Ranger. Ladies and gentlemen, that is a Ford 7.3. Power stroke. Struck me. Something tells me that that truck is that guy's daily driver. Just a thought. He's got a train horn on that. Super. Oh, we got another train horner. He just honked it. I missed it. He might do it again. Oh, just about ran over the chick. Caught that on camera. So he's got a train horn. He's running over chicks. Yeah, that chick right there. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Somebody's got some nights with oxide. Oh, they're gonna make a fast rabbit. Oh, he's gonna do a boing out. Do a boing out. You wish your little Fusion was fast. I don't even know what that is. Oh yeah. Nice little sound diesel there. Low rider. 7.3. Yeah, that is nice. I gotta hand it to this person. That's some of the most bizarre, like, lights I've ever seen. I'm not really sure what vehicle made that noise. Yeah! Hello. Gracious. Yeah! Alright, do it! Oh, this is the spot where the diesels are trying to do burnouts now. Hi, sorry about that. Alright, let's see it, diesel. Oh, he aggressively sped up there. Oh, trying to hold still. This guy's on a scooter. He's riding a scooter behind the car. Woo, now it's speed hour. Starting to get fast and cray-cray up in y'all. Yeah, buddy. Oh, there's a mall cop. This is where the party's at. Wow. Yeah, you like that car? Bailey, get out of the road. Look at that. Ooh, wow. That is funny. Wow. Oh my God.